So our starting point here for making the basic shape of a glass tumbler is that I'm starting out already with a cylinder where I've kept the bottom face, I've deleted the top face. Now I want to add a little bit of thickness to it. So I'm in edit mode, I'm in face select, focus on the cylinder, do an A to select everything within that cylinder, and Alt E to get the extrude menu, and then extrude faces along normals. And then, so what that's going to give me is some thickness all around the glass, including the bottom of the glass. Let's take a look at the wireframe view. Now I'm in wireframe and I've still got face select. Those two dots here they give me the top, and if I do a shift, the bottom face. In fact, actually, I only want the top face to start with because I want to move that face upwards a bit. So G and Z, and there we go for that. It's good enough. And then I want to bevel the bottom a little, so I'll select both faces now. Do a Control B and do a little bit of beveling. I'm just increasing the segments a bit. I think that will do. So let us now take a look at how that looks back in solid mode. I guess that's okay. I guess a glass would not necessarily look like that at the bottom, but that's good enough. And then I saw a video where someone sensibly suggested that it would make sense to do a loop cut to add what they call a lip up here. Again, that sounds reasonable. And then to select all of these, I'm going to do a control, and I'm on face select again. Control face. Control. No, it's not. I'll then select. I want face select. Control. So having clicked on the face, do a control, and then spin it around a bit, and then hold down control again, and spin it around again. I'm sure there is a way to select all of these in the one swoop, but I do not know what it is. And now I'll do I guess I'll do a bevel. No, first of all I want to do a Alt E, and again faces along normals, and I want to push that in I want to push it out a bit rather. What does that look like? It's out a tiny bit. Yep. So what does that look like in a tabbing back into object and doing a shade smooth on it? So there's maybe not enough of a lip there, but that's okay. So that's just for the modeling side of things. That will do for that.